Zomi sangam lai zama kwa ma pe na taklam khudu hong lening tu ni le som ni le khat Zomi nam ni na ni da ngai bol ngei bangin nuam takina mi mal ki chwa in mi hon pi to wal nuam khom ngai na thu to la to nek le don to I bol den himale tu kum chiang ina akhwala tuala kol gamile thune na vai buai na e Victoria Melbourne bang hele zong COVID restriction ma in hong nong kai sak lai hei manina tu ni na mi hing ki thua khom na mi mal ki thua khom na I bol zo lo kom kal panina ZAA upate thukim na khensan na tung tonin ZAA president ka hi na to tu ni le som ni le khat Zomi nam ni thu puak tom no kam gen hi Zomi nam ni e pawina alam dang kholo abat hangin English to gel le hang National Day hi gem gamina National chi chiangina gam le lei uk na to a ki uk gam khata minam pi gen na hi mani tu ni na nam neu ma bang malo hi ma ta le hang minam ni anei abol thei hi na hun sot pi pek panina kum simina ibol to a hi lam mangil lovin ilung sim te a national achi ma bangina nam pi lung sim nam pi gam tat lu hek te anei theingiat api cheng lung sim ngai sunna le kal swanjia anei theingiat tingina tu ni atuam le atum dang ma Zomi nam ni thupuak tu a teng hong gen nuaming tuina tu ni le som ni le khat Zomi nam ni a Australia Gambupa Assistant Treasurer a hi Beckham lena Minister for Housing to changina a Deakin area kem pewa federal member a hi Michael Sukkar in tugen na hong nei ding hi I om na te ka ilung sim tong panin Zomi hi na nung ta sakin Zomi nam ni cha National Day ichi ngang ma bangina nam pi lung sim nam pi gam tat lu hek nam pi zia le tong anei thei kim chat ding ina to pa in thu pha hong to kim ta hen lungdam.
Hi, my name is Michael Sukkar. I'm the federal member for Deakin. I'd like to greatly thank the Zomi Association of Australia for inviting me to say a few words to mark this very special occasion as you celebrate Zomi National Day in a new COVID-safe way that we've all become accustomed to over the last 12 months. And although we're unable to be together in person, it gives me great pleasure to welcome everyone and wish you all the very best as you celebrate this occasion. Zomi National Day is a day where we can all come together to celebrate and recognise the significant cultural and historical contribution that the Zomi people have made to their country. Importantly, I want to pay a special tribute to the Zomi community for the contribution that you make to our local area. I'm so proud that our local electorate of Deakin has become one of the most culturally diverse places in Australia. Our area is home to many different ethnic and cultural groups, and I have the great fortune of being able to work with all of those groups, including your own. It's therefore been a privilege to assist communities such as yours in the work that you've been doing in helping your members adjust to life in Australia. Because I know that many of you have come to this country from extremely difficult circumstances. And today's celebration provides us with an opportunity to recognise this, but also to celebrate and to look forward to the lives that you are making and will be able to make for yourselves and your children here in Australia. I want to particularly congratulate and pay tribute to how active and engaged your community has been in our local area. These contributions help make our community such a warm and welcoming place to live. Can I also say Australia is a long-standing supporter of Burma and its democratic transition, and it's been deeply concerning to hear and see the reports that the military is once again seeking to seize control of that country. Our Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, has called on the military to respect the rule of law, to resolve disputes through lawful mechanisms, and to immediately release all civilian leaders and others who have been detained unlawfully. But once again, I'd like to thank you for the work that the Zomi Association Australia has done in putting together this COVID-safe event. I do greatly appreciate the work that goes on behind the scenes to make events like this happen. And so I want to thank everybody for those efforts. And finally, can I wish everyone a safe and happy Zomi National Day. Please enjoy this day, and I really look forward to catching up with you all very soon.